Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Beauty Diaries with Sav. Thank you everyone for the love and support you gave me for my first video. Today's video is about how to create the brown smoky eyes. It's very easy to create and all you need is a little bit practice. So without further ado, let's get started. I have already moisturized and prepped my face and applied a lip balm. Starting off with the orange corrector. It is a must-have for dusky skin tone to hide the pigmentation and acne marks. I'm blending it with my fingers. Next, applying a concealer shade that matches the skin very well. Again, applying it on where all I applied the orange corrector and blending it with my fingers. Applying foundation. Dot it all over the face and neck. And blend it with the Damn Beauty blender. Blend it really well. Now applying a highlighting shade concealer. It should be 2 to 3 shades lighter than your skin. Applying mainly on the high points like nose, chin, forehead and eyes. Now with the clean damp sponge, blend it really well. It should not look ashy. Blending the eyelids with the lighter shade of concealer helps you to give the color payoff of the eyeshadow very well. Now applying compact. I am setting all over the face since I have applied concealer here and there. Don't forget the neck area. Now taking an eyebrow cake and blending my eyebrows. I am just drawing an outline and filling the gaps and then blending it with this spoolie. Take a brown kajal and just roughly draw on your eyelids. Then with a blending brush, blend the dark brown shade on your eyelids. Don't go over the eyelids. Now taking a lighter brown shade and applying it on the crease area. Now taking an orange shade and blending it on the transition. The color should go darker to lighter from the lids to the transition. Blend it really well. Blend it really well to get the smoked effect. Now with a flat shader brush, I am placing the dark brown shade on the eyelids. It helps to intensify the dark shade on the eyelids. I am now drawing a basic eyeliner. Then applying a kajal. With a pencil smudger brush, taking the dark brown shade again and smudging the kajal. Now applying highlighter to the inner corner and brow bone. Applying mascara. Apply 2 to 3 coats. Apply on the lower lash line also. Applying contour, first placing the product and then blending upwards. Always blend upwards. Now applying blush. Always blend the blush into the contour. And again applying highlighter on the highest points. Forehead, nose, chin. Since it is a smoky eye look, I am not going for heavy contour, blush and highlighter. Drawing lips with the lip liner. I am also lightly filling the lips since I have pigmented lips. Filling the lips with the nude pink shade. finishing the look with the bindi and accessories. Hope you all liked the video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you later. Thank you.